I'm just about to go food shopping and it's the first time when I'm wearing this lovely blouse. I love it and I created myself. It's a DIY project. Hello my lovely viewers, I'm IULI and I'm welcome you on my channel. Thank you so much for being here in another video with me. In today's video I will share with you a DIY project, maybe an experiment. Let's call it an experiment because it is an experiment. It's the first time when I created my own blouse. This lovely silky blouse. Found this piece of fabric. I found it online on Etsy on one seller. I was searching for some vintage silk dresses and this came up on the screen and I said to myself, oh, I need to have it. I love the colors and I got it. I didn't know what I wanted to do with, but as I came home I said I can use and make it as a blouse, and I've used the whole fabric. None of the fabric was thrown away. I made my own hair scrunch. I made my own camera strap. So if you want to see all the steps how I created the blouse, the scrunchie or the strap for my camera, please keep on watching. I'm not a professional, I'm not claiming to be any professional. I'm just a passion about trying new things. So I do have another blouse that looks exactly the same, so I follow the shape from that blouse. I think it's called butterfly wings. So it was easy because I had that shape already, I had the pattern already, so I follow the same pattern. I'm not a professional, I'm not claiming to be any professional in sewing, but I just love sewing. It started when I was a little child. I learned sewing in Romania. I grew up in a small village in Romania and I learned it from my grandpa and my grandma. I learned hand sewing, knitting, sewing machine as well. My grandpa in our village used to be called the tailor of the village, and I've been known by the granddaughter of the tailor. finished attaching the zipper, half by machine sewing and half by hand. I did struggle a lot with this fabric. It's so slippery. Was a challenge, a very big challenge. It has two sides pocket. It has a small pocket here with the zipper as well, where I can put the spare battery and the spare USD card and a small cloth. I have a small cloth to wipe the lenses. Please don't forget to like my video before you leave. Commenting if you have any questions, and subscribe for more hobbies with me. Click the tiny bell that is next to the subscribe button to be updated with my latest video. And until the next time, all the best. Show me some love.